Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to pull real-world weather data directly into your spreadsheets for tracking analysis or just to satisfy your curiosity, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use the Weather Stats add-on in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get up-to-date weather stats, customize the data you want, and have it appear instantly in your spreadsheet, super useful for all kinds of projects. So let's jump right in. First, you'll need to actually install the Weather Stats add-on. Go up to the Extensions tab at the top of your Google Sheets menu, hover over Add-ons, and then click on Get Add-ons. This will bring you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is kind of like an app store but just for Google tools. In the search bar, type in Weather Stats. There might be a few options, but look for the one with the icon showing a cloud and sun. Hit Install and just give it all the permissions it asks for. That step is pretty standard with any add-on. Don't worry if it takes a moment, that's totally normal. Now, if you already have the Weather Stats add-on installed, you can skip right ahead to finding it in your sheet. Over in the top right corner of your spreadsheet, you'll see a little icon. It looks like a cloud with a sun peeking out. That's your Weather Stats shortcut. Click on it and a sidebar will slide in from the right. Inside the add-on sidebar, you'll notice a section that says Get Weather By. This is where you get to choose whether you want your weather data broken down by days or by hours. Just think about what works best for your needs. For example, if you're planning a weekend camping trip and just need a general sense of the weekend's weather, days is probably fine. But if you need to track changes for an outdoor event that happens in the afternoon or compare how temperatures fluctuate throughout a single day, then selecting hours will give you a much more detailed view. Next up is the range of dates. You'll see two fields here. Just put in the start and end dates for when you want your weather data. Maybe you're looking back at past weather patterns or planning something for the future. Either way, make sure your date format matches what's expected, usually year, month, and day. If you enter something and it's not accepted, don't stress, just double-check the format and try again. After you set your dates, it's time for location. Simply enter the city or region you want to get weather data for. You can use a city name, zip code, or sometimes even latitude and longitude coordinates if you want to be super specific. The more pinpointed you are, the more accurate your data will be, so don't be afraid to get detailed here. Once that's set, move on to Weather Elements. This is where you pick what types of weather data you want to see. Do you want to track temperature, humidity, wind speed, or maybe precipitation? You can choose one element or several at the same time. For instance, if you're analyzing growing conditions for plants, you might look at temperature and precipitation but skip wind speed. Customize this section according to what you actually care about. Finally, when you've got all your options filled in, just hit the Run button. Now here's the magic part. The add-on will automatically pull the real-world weather data right into your spreadsheet. It usually takes just a few seconds, so give it a moment. When it finishes, you'll see your selected weather stats laid out neatly in your sheet, ready for you to use however you want, whether you're charting trends, sharing data, or running calculations. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can bring dynamic, real-time weather stats into your spreadsheets. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or need clarification, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy forecasting.